Hello my fly babies, today is Thursday and I'm your Flylady Kat here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Did you hear what I just said? Is that really what you want? Or are you just kind of halfway listening to this and saying, whatever, I'll do it, I'm just listening. You know, by listening it doesn't happen, you have to do it. And so if you want peace in your life, really peace in your life, if you want control in your home, really control in your home, and if you want to finally love yourself, then just do these three things. Morning routine, after dinner routine, laundry routine, paper routine, and before bed routine. 5 routines: morning routine, laundry, paper, after dinner, before bed. Those 5 routines are critical. Then the basic weekly plan. Today's basic weekly plan for Thursday is Errand day. And then the zone, and we're in zone 4, the family room, no, the master bedroom, master bathroom, and master closet. I knew that, it just didn't come out. All right, so these are the things we're doing today. If you're working, you're thinking about things on your lunch hour. Maybe you can do a few little errands on your lunch hour. When you get home, you're going to inspect what you expect if you delegated that basic weekly plan, that weekly home blessing hour item. And then you're going to go work in your zone for 15 minutes while your dinner is simmering. You're going to get your laundry going, go through an inch of paper. I know, it's things to do when you get home from work. I know, you worked really hard today. Even if you just sat at a desk, you're mentally exhausted. I know, I did it too. But I'm telling you, if you want peace in your life, if you want control in your home, and you want to love yourself, discipline yourself to do these things. Just do it. That's the easy part. Just doing it is the easy part. The hard part is getting over it mentally. Just do it. When you come home, do it. You will feel energized. You will feel less stressful. I promise. You'll sleep better. And it's not going to take your whole evening. And I know your kids are in extracurriculars. I know. That's why you use your planner to plan it out. But there's some things you can do every day that will prevent you from having to do it all on Saturday, feeling even more like a martyr because you're working and doing everything on Saturday. Okay? I promise. I love you. Here's my little heart. I do. It's not easy, but it's not hard. Just do it. Okay. Next is, well, that's actually it. That's it. We're just going to do errands. So if you're staying home, you're going to do your morning routines with your kids. You know, yours first, then your kids. Please do yours first. Then do your laundry. Go through an inch of paper. Go to the grocery store and all the other errands you need to run. Before you go though, go ahead and take care of that bedroom 15 minutes maximum, and that's if you have to declutter, and 10 minutes or less if you just need to clean one little thing in there, and then go and do your routine. Always feels better when you leave your house done. Now I know your house isn't complete. Houses are never complete, but it'll be more and more complete as you do this more and more and more. Okay. All right, tonight we're going to do our after dinner routine together with our family. We're going to inspect what we expect on anything we've delegated, and if those things weren't done, they're going to have a circumstance and you're going to do the job. And remember again, the little job you delegate is 10 minutes or less. So it's not going to be hard. So let's say you had to do their job 10 minutes or less, or you don't have anybody to delegate to, and you do that. That's your, let's say you mop the floors. That's 10 minutes or less. Let's say you worked 15 minutes in your bedroom decluttering. Okay, we're at 25 minutes. You threw the laundry in, which takes a minute. And you went through a little bit of paper. That takes a couple minutes. Okay, so we're talking less than an hour for everything that you have to do, including taking those clothes out and folding them later. Okay, and so when you get home, if you get home at 6 o'clock and you have to be in bed at 10, you've got 4 hours. So you still have 3 to enjoy, or to take kids to extracurriculars or whatever. And if you are having so many extracurricular activities with your children, and you don't ever have dinner at home together, something's wrong. Something needs to give. I know football and baseball those coaches are ridiculous, and they keep those kids late, past their bedtime, past their dinner time, and it's hard. And maybe a little pushback needs to happen every now and then from family members to the coaches. I think they're ridiculous. I have grandchildren doing the same thing. But if it's not every night, you can handle it. If it's every night, something's wrong, okay? Because your kids need their rest. Your kids need to be eating dinner and not just eating something on the fly every day. These are old-fashioned things that I'm telling you, but I really believe it. So you don't have to do that, but I'm just saying, as a human being, you need some downtime and your kids need some downtime. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.